Meghalaya is arrived. I request all the participants. I request all of you please rise up. Nakarpat ya baro ki para usting so Bañiun lang hakapor ba I governor ilawan ilapoy. Fasisian nakarpat ya pi baro ki para rekor para khaw Bañiun lang namar ba chief guest jong ikene kapor ilapoy. God bless you both. Lakarpat ya baro finsumha Bañiun. Pleasure to welcome you all to this special function. We are truly honored by your presence today and we are thrilled to have you in this special momentous occasion with us. We are privileged to have among us today and with thanks for taking your busy schedule to extend and support. Your esteemed presence here was glorify this event and a vibrancy to our humble gathering. As the afternoon progresses, we promise to showcase the rich cultural heritage of the Hindu tribe people, an insightful speech that not only celebrate the occasion but also foster meaningful conversation among all of us. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to all the guests present here, especially the chief guest of today's program. We appreciate your valuable involvement in making this event a grand success. So without further ado, we will kick start off with this program.
Benta balai juga nak jen meet ke benda. Ting pelendap juga benta, ke menengkong ber ke benta baar, ke dia benta jong keniam. Bat ke nega benta balai, ke dia benta. Ban penegri tiga dustur. Ke syat ke kemen, ke sio ke ruai, ke tem ke pot. Ke badai ke taka nong ke di jong ikum ke cak menriu. Ban ket bager biang, ke nikah. Riti dustur, ke nang pu ke nang ping. Kemudian kisni, kemudian kisnem, mereka negalong, kan nong ketiga jongi kemudian cek penriu, ma keniam, ke keriti kedustur, bangta, ke cek penriu. Jika negalama kan yang sekhi nak banta, ke pu kepieng, keriti kedustur, ke pu kepieng, ke hok, ke deiti jongi kemudian cek penriu.